How to delete a board on Pinterest. Here's how. First, open the Pinterest app or website and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner to open your profile page, where you'll see all of your saved boards. Find the board you want to delete, then click the pencil, edit icon on that board to open the board settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you see the Delete Board option. Click Delete Board. A confirmation message will appear explaining that the board and all the pins saved in it will be removed from your profile. If you're sure you want to delete it, click Delete again to confirm. Note, if there are pins you want to keep, move them to another board before deleting this one, because deleting the board will also remove all the pins stored inside it. That's it. You've successfully deleted a Pinterest board. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy Pinterest tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.